What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here. I was just going to pick up some rock band guitars and a drum set, and turned out the lady had a lot of cool stuff in her garage. It turned from a $40 purchase to a $320 purchase. I have to go to the bank to get more cash right now. I'm gonna ask her if I could film a little bit. She has a garage filled with stuff, and I am going to have a car filled with stuff very soon. I got some Funko Pops, some video game stuff, some CDs. Guys, I spent $100 on just one CD. It's kind of a gamble. We'll see how well I do. The rest of the stuff should be decent movers. I bought out a vinyl record collection, about 120 records for $100 from her. So there's a lot of good stuff in there, like Beatles, Buddy Holly, lots of great stuff. So we'll see how well that stuff does. The condition is phenomenal. Got a bunch of brand new sealed board games, as well as used ones. And some of the stuff goes for $80 and up. So pretty interesting stuff, guys. I gotta find this bank, and then I will try to film at this place. All right, guys, we are just outside of this little pawn shop, big pawn shop actually, in an area that I never really come to, but because I'm down here, I figured why not? What is it called? It's called Meriden Pawn. Let's see what they got inside. I'm pretty stoked to see what we find. Okay, that pawn shop ended up having pretty much nothing, but let's take a look at everything I picked up, guys. I'm pretty stoked. $320. Got a Beatles rock band set. You got the drums, the legs, the kick pedal, which looks like brand new. Still in the plastic, that's weird. No game itself, but the game itself is very cheap, so I could just get it at GameStop or on eBay. And the drums are hidden down there. I actually got 3 drum sets. Somehow I got 3 drum sets, got some cymbals, got a guitar. I'll pull everything out. Let me actually pull this out and set it on the ground, or drop it on the ground. There we go. All right. I got a guitar right here for the Xbox 360, a Beatles guitar for the PlayStation 3, I believe. This one, which I've never seen. Oh wait, this is the Beatles rock necker guitar. Pretty cool for the Xbox 360. These cymbals, which are like a little expansion. Got these phones right here, guys. $1 a piece. They're brand new with the Uniden seal on them. They go for about $75 on Amazon. So pretty cool there. Both brand new. We got a few things in this bag. We got a couple of PlayStation 3 controllers, a red one and a black one. This one's pretty dirty, but I'll clean it up. No charging cords, so I'm gonna have to buy the cords, no problem. We got a DVD set. I didn't even look it up, but it was a couple bucks, $1, something like that. Kind of cool. Comes with 3 Monty Python movies. Maybe it's worth money, maybe it's not. I have no idea. We have a brand new domino set. Didn't look it up, but it's brand new. Maybe it's worth money, maybe it's not. I bet it is. So not bad for $2. We got a Sony voice recorder, and I tested it. It had batteries in it. Works perfectly, so that's cool for $1. We ended up getting a few Funko Pops. We got Alien and Xenomorph. I looked him up. He sells for like $25 over on Amazon, so not bad. Originally it was $13. Sells for $25. I paid $5 each on those. And that's it. That's in that bag. This right here is brand new, but you can see there's little tears in the plastic, so I would have to sell it as used. Brand new, this sells for about $75 used. I think like $35, $40, so not bad. I will take that. Here we go. This is interesting. $4 for Legos. You know, whenever I see Legos, if it's under $5, you gotta buy them. But the cool thing is, look at the minifigures, right? We got one. Let's see. There's like pieces of minifigures in here, so I don't know how many are actually in here. Here's like a helmet. Here's some legs. Let's see. And I know the minifigures are worth money. Here we go. There's another guy. Here's a body. So I don't know exactly how many are in here because they're all taken apart, but if there's at least 4 of them, that's worth it. Here's another head. Because I could sell the minifigures by themselves. Oh no! Oh no! I could sell the minifigures by themselves in a lot on eBay. That's how I've always sold them before. And they actually sell pretty quick. And then I just save these kind of Legos. Ooh, there's a cool one. I save the Legos and I put them in weighted piles. I like weigh them up to 10 pounds or so. Here's an interesting one. That's a cool looking Lego. I've never seen that guy before. Looks like it's mostly all Star Wars people. Oh, here's another cool guy. This guy's orange. Maybe these guys have value because they're really weird and different. I hope so. Okay, that might be it, but not bad. Pour them back in there, whatever. So that's solid for $4. Let's see what else we got in here. Let's come around the side of the car. All right, we have an anti-Monopoly game. I've never seen this before, and it's not brand new, but she said she counted all the pieces. Of course, I'm gonna have to recount everything. This came out in 2005, and it's kind of cool. I didn't look it up, but she was only asking $3, so I took it. We got Risk, Lord of the Rings. This, again, was $3, and this is complete, or so it seems, so that's not bad. I know this goes for, I think, $30, $40. We got this game. It used to be worth a lot. I don't know if it's still worth a lot. $5 on that, the Simpsons game, and it is complete. So this is definitely a BOLO game, or it used to be. I don't know. I'm hoping that's worth some money. We got this Paul Desmond brand new sealed collection. Oh, no. Oh, phew. Good thing I caught it. Okay. Brand new sealed. This sells for about $35 over on Amazon. Here is the big buy, guys. This will pay for everything. This is the Take a Look Aretha Franklin complete collection. It's 12 discs in here. It is a full collection set. And this is selling on Amazon for about $400. Now, that could definitely be inflated. I checked eBay. There are a couple solds, a brand new sealed one for I think $400 and a used one for about $190. And the $190 one just sold about 2 weeks ago, a week ago, so it does sell. I paid $100 just for this. So let's see what that actually ends up selling for, guys. I'll obviously keep you in contact with that. And then we got records. I picked up these 2 bins filled with records. There's some good stuff in here, I think. I don't know. I'll pull it out. Here we go, actually. We got Orson Welles, War of the Worlds Radio, Urban Cowboy. I don't know who that is. Valley of the Dolls. Phantom of the Opera. And they're clean, too. Born Free. I don't know who a lot of these people are. But I did see there's the best of Buddy Holly. And there's more than just that. I know there's a lot of Beatles. Some Beatles could be worth good money at the Hop. Kind of cool. So I don't know how much I'm going to get for all the records. But I do know $100. I think there's about 150 of them. 130 of them, something like that. Paid less than $1 a piece. Definitely going to be worth it. I originally went to just go buy one Rock Band set. It was just a basic set of drums and 2 guitars for $40. That's what I was originally going to buy. And I ended up getting all of this for $320. So should be good. The Rock Band stuff obviously needs to be tested. Some of it's Xbox, which is good, but most of it's PlayStation. So I have to buy dongles off of eBay, wait for the dongles to get to my house so I could test them. Because a lot of times, guys, these can be broken or not working, and that's kind of a shame. So it is what it is. I'm pretty stoked. Do you guys think I made a good buy? Do you think $320 is good, or do you think I paid too much? Let me know down below in the comments, because I think I did pretty good, mostly because of this. Now, again, it might be inflated. It might not sell for $400, but even if I could sell this for $200, I made more than half my money back, and I should be fine. I should be. We'll see. Again, I didn't look a lot of this stuff up. I just went off my intuition. I mean, I know these can be worth $20, $25. I mean, brand new sealed, even if it only sells for 10, 15 bucks, it's still money. So I'm very happy about it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this. I tried to get footage there. I don't know, I didn't really want to film. There was other people there helping me. They were setting up for a birthday party. I didn't just want to whip out my camera and start filming. I wish I filmed more while I was in there actually picking, but I pretty much got everything good, I think. I got her card, I got her phone number, so hopefully it turns into a connection. And just like Garage Flips, he has his guy, I'll have my gal, and she can help me out, and I can end up buying lots of stuff in the future. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions at all, subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School, signing out. See ya.